Weather for you. Meteorologist Robert Suhr here with us. Robert, wow. Hopefully people got outside. I mean, the sun was out this weekend. A little windy, but overall really nice.
Yeah, it was. And humidity's still low for this time of the year, so it didn't really feel too sticky outside. But there are changes on the way, unfortunately. We are firmly in the middle of severe weather season, and it looks like we could have more severe weather as we get toward Tuesday, which is why Tuesday is a severe day. We are going to watch as we go through the day on Tuesday for rain and thunderstorms to develop, especially after lunch. Some of those thunderstorms could be what are called discrete thunderstorms, kind of all by themselves, and those are the ones you worry about the most because they can become the most powerful. All modes of severe weather are possible Tuesday. Strong tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, they're all on the table. Basically, we could take what happened on Friday and pull it closer to our area. Those types of storms, that's what we could be looking at. That's the severity of the storms that are possible. None of that right now in Eureka Springs, though. Things are nice and quiet. A very peaceful Sunday evening, basically everywhere across the area, Fayetteville as well as Springdale, except you get into southeast Oklahoma. Here's a look at Poto. Got some raindrops on the camera. You can see some reduced visibilities from some showers that are starting to move through the area, and you can see them pressing in here as this slug of moisture starts to make its way into our area. For the most part, we're going to see an hour or two of some moderate rainfall for areas south of I-40, I believe, with some embedded weak thunderstorms for the most part. The real strong and severe stuff, you see a severe thunderstorm here straddling the Red River, should stay south of our area over the next couple of hours. Now, temperatures right now basically in the mid-70s in northwest Arkansas, upper 70s, and a few locations checking in at 80 degrees. Now, as we go hour by hour, I want to show you something interesting here. I've got the model precipitation on here as well as the atmospheric energy, and that's important as we get toward Tuesday. Now, tonight, here's that slug of rainfall sliding by to our south. Maybe a sprinkle gets into Fayetteville. We'll see. But again, I think 95% of it will stay along and south of I-40. Quick mover. By later tonight, it's out of here. We're already starting to clear out for the most part. Monday should be nice and quiet. Very warm, quite windy at times, but we'll be dry. But as we go through Tuesday, notice Tuesday morning, lots of atmospheric energy here. That's fuel for those storms, and we could start to see some storms as we get toward Tuesday afternoon. You see here a couple of showers possible right around the lunch hour, but more intense activity as we go through the afternoon. These storms are feeding off all of this energy, and the models are saying, yeah, later at night on Tuesday we get some big storms. Don't pay attention to where exactly that they are, just that there are storms out there, and they are feeding off of all of this unstable air that will be over the area later in the day on Tuesday. In fact, already Storm Prediction Center saying numerous to scattered severe thunderstorms are possible Tuesday, about over the same areas that we saw on Friday. So you're going to want to check back with us for updates over the next day or two. 50s tonight, and then, as I said, a nice taste of summer tomorrow. 80s across the board. Almost a hot day when you think about it. We've got that severe day on Tuesday. Once the front crosses, look how much temperatures crash from the 80s Monday and Tuesday to only into the upper 50s on Wednesday. But the rest of the week looks good once we get through Tuesday. Same thing in the River Valley. Not too bad besides Tuesday. The rest of the week looks good, and temperatures will drop back to where they should be for this time of the year. But as I said, you're going to want to check back for us for updates. You know who's got sports updates? Meredith Mulkey. She's got everything you need to know coming up right after the break.